Let's get you big breaking updates coming in. The prime accused in the case has been arrested in a joint operation by the DCP Zone 6 and Zone 9. The arrest was made at a labor camp near a metro construction site behind the TCS call center in Hiranandani Estate in Thane. According to the police, the accused, who previously worked at a pub in Mumbai, was tracked down at the site adjacent to the metro construction. These are the visuals of the man, the prime suspect in the stabbing case, who has been arrested. So this is in the Saif Ali Khan attack case. This is the prime accused who has been taken into custody by the police officials. My colleagues Rucha and Rakesh are joining us live on the broadcast with the details. Rucha, this is a big update coming in. The prime accused in the case has been arrested. What are the details?
Well, this person was arrested at around 2:30 a.m. today, which makes 3 days after the attack on Saif first took place. Now, after the investigation of 72 hours, the man is finally arrested. He first tried to hide his identity by telling the police that his name was Vijay Das, but in fact his name was Mohammad Alian, which is now verified by Mumbai Police, and Mumbai Police's DCP Zone 9, DCP Zone 6, as well as Thane Police jointly performed this operation, and he was finally arrested from Thane's Kasarvadavali area. Now, this area was where a labor camp was there of construction work of Mumbai Metro. He was arrested from there, and after that he was taken to DCP Zone 6. Now today is a holiday, which makes Mumbai Police to work on this, that they will present this person Muhammad to the holiday court, and they will ask for police custody. As of now, what we know that this is a massive development in this case, that finally the attacker is now arrested. He was the prime accused in this matter of attacking Saif Ali Khan. Now, after he will be brought here in Bandra police station, his identity will be cross-checked with the other people who had witnessed this person. Lima, the first person who had launched FIR at this Bandra police station, will also be called, and she will also cross-check whether this was the same person that attacked her. Even Saif Ali Khan will be shown this person's photograph, or in person he will identify whether this was the same person who attacked him. Now, it will be very clear for Mumbai Police to continue the further investigation. What was the motive of this attack? Was it just a robbery, or was it something else? Whether this person was only planning to harm Saif Ali Khan in any way? Because like Kareena Kapoor had mentioned in her statement that there was jewelry present at the spot where the incident took place, where he attacked Saif Ali Khan, but he chose not to choose the jewelry, but instead he harmed Saif Ali Khan. Now, it will also be seen whether is there anyone helping from inside of the people that were working at Saif Ali Khan's house. It may be the chef, the housekeeper, caretaker, or someone working inside the building, including the security present in the building, because this person managed to crack the security and he managed to enter his house at 12th floor somehow. Now, it will also be seen whether this was the person was one of the people that was coming to the repair work, the floor repair work, which was going on 2 days prior when this attack happened. Now, Mumbai Police is going to brief about this. It will also be seen that what was the route that he took after he attacked Saif Ali Khan. A picture was taken from CCTV footage, which was a big help for Mumbai Police in this investigation. Now, following the CCTV footage that was taken from 6th floor of his building, where this person, Muhammad Alian, was looking exactly inside the camera, which is when he was captured, and the CCTV was followed. Later on, he was captured going on to towards Bandra railway station, and after that he was also captured in Dadar while he was purchasing earphone in a mobile shop. Post that, his CCTV footage was nowhere to be found. Now, after all, this investigation is now at a point where there's a major development that Thane police has also helped with. This is a joint investigation,
okay, all right.
joint
So he's been
operation.
arrested. Rakesh, is this the man who was seen in the CCTV footage? The police officials will also, of course, be looking at several of the angles that Richa also spoke about, and how is it that he managed to enter, and more importantly, what was the motive of this attack on Saif Ali Khan? Do we have any details of what the police officials have gathered so far, how the investigations are going to proceed from here?
Definitely the Mumbai police claims that he's the same person who's seen in the CCTV footage of Sadhguru Sharan building, which is the residence of actor Saif Ali Khan. So the same person was seen in that CCTV footage about 1:33 a.m. on the 16th Jan while he was climbing up the stairs towards the Saif Ali Khan's residence, and then he was getting down at about 2:35. And as Rucha was saying that the another sequence of CCTV footages like at Bandra railway station, then Dadar railway station, so all these dots were linked, and then there was some surveillance, and then it was identified that the person is hiding at the labor camp in Thane, and based on that a trap was laid there, and finally he was arrested. So this arrest makes a full stop on the question which was being raised so far, that why Mumbai police is not able to nab this accused if he's a mere it was a robbery attempt. So but definitely whether it was only a robbery attempt, whether he was given any contract to kill or attack Saif Ali Khan, that is still that still remains a question of investigation for Mumbai police. So right now he is kept at Khar police station. He will be produced before the holiday court today, and once Mumbai police gets a remand of this accused, only after then they will be able to ask him a lot of questions, and they will be coming up with details of this case.
Okay, all right. Rakesh, do stay on with us. Shweta is also on the broadcast with us. So, Shweta, while the police officials were initially calling it a case of burglary, after the investigations, after speaking to Kareena Kapoor Khan as well, they have established that there was nothing valuable that was stolen from the house. And Kareena's statement becomes very crucial because initially the police officials were looking at it from an angle of a burglary gone wrong.
Well, that is correct. In fact, this is significant to understand that what was the motive behind this crime, as an offence was also registered, and now we see that under various sections of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita Act, the accused was also been nabbed. Now, I'm showing you the visuals from, in fact, Khar police station. As per our sources, we have been informed that the accused is likely to be here, and we are seeing how the closed gates are here, plus the police deployment is quite witnessed here. Also, as we see that, yes, when we talk about the motive of the case, that is something that would be proved by the Mumbai police. Now remember, it was parallelly investigated by the Crime Intelligence Unit, Crime Branch Department, as well as by Bandra Police Station, and now in a joint operation, in fact, with DCP Zone 6, 9, and also with the help of Thane Police Station, the prime accused has been nabbed. This is the first and foremost news, as we understand that he was hiding near the labor camp, which was situated at the metro site in Thane, and earlier he used to work for a Mumbai pub. And as per the further information what we have received from our sources from police, it also states that for 72 hours he was in and around Mumbai and Thane, and he was hiding in the bushes. In fact, as the video which we have accessed exclusively. Apart from this, it has also been one big breakthrough, because we have seen already 72 hours pass by amid growing scrutiny. In fact, Mumbai police has now managed to nab the accused. Several suspects were first, they were also detained several times. Quizzing was done at Bandra Police Station and Crime Branch Department as well. Near about 50 people's statement have been recorded so far in past 72 hours. And now we see that Mumbai Police has been gaining a big step where the prime accused has been nabbed. In fact, I'm showing you the further visuals from from Khar Police Station, because again the quizzing was going around in Bandra Police Station, but as per our sources, it's been informed informed that the accused might be here. And remember, when it comes to the further procedures, now legally he will be produced in a holiday court, and then his remand would be taken by the police. And it is likely that the further remand would be the police remand, and then further investigation would be going on. In the investigation, meanwhile, in the line of investigation, the motive is the first and foremost thing that would be asked to the prime accused. As in the statement that was given by Kareena Kapoor Khan, it was mentioned that although where he was standing, the valuables and the jewelry were right here, but he did not choose to take the jewelries and escape from there. Instead, he became aggressive and he attacked Saif Ali Khan when Saif Ali Khan intervened. So this is the statement that has come out from spouse of Saif Ali Khan, and police is most likely that after Saif Ali Khan is into the position to speak to family members and the other police officials, his statement can also be recorded at Leelavati Hospital. Remember, since past 3 days he has been admitted in Leelavati Hospital, where he is getting treated there. And here, after 72 hours, in fact, this is going to be a big take from Mumbai police, where the prime accused has been nabbed from Thane. In fact, here we are understanding that after 72 hours, we have seen several times it was being questioned that how come Mumbai police does not even know the suspect, and now we are understanding that the prime accused has been arrested from Thane.
Okay, all right. Do stay on with us. Times Now, of course, has been on ground ever since the attack took place. We've also decoded the details as the police officials have continued their investigations. Take a look at this report filed by my colleague Rucha at the time when the police officials had brought the accused to the Bandra police station.
After 72-hour-long manhunt, Mumbai police has finally apprehended the prime accused in Saif Ali Khan's attack case. I'm currently present at Bandra police station, where he will be brought in very soon. This is the police station where the first complaint was lodged against this attacker, and he is now in custody of Mumbai police. The police, with joint efforts by DCP Zone 9, DCP Zone 6 and Kasar Vadavali police, has finally catched this attacker. Now, this person is identified as Vijay Das, who is said to be originally from West Bengal and is also said to be a worker from Bandra, who used to work in clubs and pubs. Now this person will soon be brought here, and the evidences that Mumbai police has got as of now will be verified with this person. His statement will be recorded, his medical test will be done, and most importantly, the part where he was arrested from was from Thane. Thane's Kasar Vadavali area, where a metro construction was going on. He was hiding inside the labor camp around this metro construction, and Thane police, along with Mumbai police's DCP Zone 9 and DCP Zone 6, has apprehended the prime accused in Saif Ali Khan's attack case. Along with video journalist Anil Shinde, this is Rucha Kanolkar for Times Now, Mumbai.
So, Rakesh, there are a few questions that still remain. How is it that the man got access to the residence? And more importantly, now that Kareena Kapoor Khan has said that jewelry was not stolen from the residence, was it wrong on part of the Mumbai police to come out very quickly, right at the beginning, within just a few hours of the incident taking place, saying and establishing or looking at it from a burglary angle?
Well, what we are learning from our sources is that the accused has confessed to his crime. In the primary investigation, please understand that it is not been more than a couple of hours since he's been detained and then being brought to Khar police station. It almost takes more than half an hour, 1 hour only in the travelling process. So there is hardly any questioning that has been done. But prima facie, what sources are telling us that he has accepted, he has confessed to the crime, and saying that he had gone there only to attempt a burglary there, and he had no other intention to attack anybody. In fact, responding to your question that the jewelry was kept there. See, Karina in her statement said that there were valuables but that were not touched because the Mumbai police believes that the accused did not get the opportunity before he could pick up any valuable items or jewelry. He was encountered by Lima, the caretaker, and then he got engaged with this couple with Saif Ali Khan. So there was hardly any chance to pick up or to rob any valuables from the residence. So that is the sequence, and in fact the Karina's statement is also being taken in that context that nothing has been robbed so far. So there was there was no robbery actually executed. So this was an attempt to rob the valuables, but he couldn't do so because he didn't get time. Before he could do that, he was he got encountered with Lima and also Saif Ali Khan thereafter. So that is a sequence, and that is why Mumbai police still is firm on their stand that this was not a contract killing or attack, and the prime motive, the main motive still remains the same, that he wanted to go there only to attempt a burglary.
Okay, all right. So it was a case of burglary or not, the police officials will be looking at all of these details. He is going to be produced before the court. Let's get you the details as well in the entire probe that has come forth. The police officials have recovered a part of the knife from the crime scene. Part of the knife was used to attack Saif Ali Khan. Now this knife has been sent to the forensics. The suspect's posters were put up at the railway stations and the police posts, and the identity of the suspect held in Chhattisgarh is yet to be verified. The Mumbai police are also conducting searches in the other states. So, Rucha, the police officials are now continuing their investigations. Do they believe that there could be more people who could be involved in the same, or after the prime accused in the case has been arrested as well, they're looking at whether there is a possibility that it could be someone else?
Well, of course, the investigation will be done with all the possible angles. And since there was a construction flooring work going on at Saif's residence 2-3 days before he was attacked, many workers, laborers were coming and going from his residence. So it will also be seen how or whether the people who are working inside Saif's residence were part of this robbery or attack that was planned and happened. Now it will also be seen whether this person, after leaving Saif's residence, met anybody, whether he tried to contact anybody, as he had a mobile phone with him when he was captured at Dadar in a mobile shop. The call records will be checked whether he has come in contact with anybody or has spoken to anybody or met anyone during this period of leaving from Saif's residence to getting arrested tonight. So the Mumbai police is now currently investigating with all the possible angles. More than 50 statements were recorded in this case, including those who work at Saif's residence, as well as the security guards, people that came in touch with Saif Ali Khan during a few days. Even the people, even the auto driver who took Saif to Leelavati Hospital is also said to have registered his statement with the Bandra police, and people who he was in touch with, including the caretaker of Taimur and Jay, will also
was
be
there a
speaking
connect with the caretaker or not? That's also going to be established. Stay with us. We have more breaking updates coming in. So the accused has been arrested after 72 hours, and we are told that the Mumbai police has confirmed that the accused was using multiple names, including Vijay Das, Bijoy Das, as well as Mohammad Ilyas. So the police officials have confirmed that the accused was using multiple names, one of his names being Vijay Das, Bijoy Das, as well as Mohammad Ilyas. These are the names that he was going by. So the police officials are also looking at more details. What the officials have revealed as of now is that he is the prime accused in the case, and he's a waiter at a restaurant, and he is said to have confessed to having committed the crime. That's what the Mumbai police have informed. that he has confessed to the crime. Now the police officials will be interrogating him further to find out what was the exact motive behind the same. Shweta is live with us with the details. Shweta, in the investigations, the police officials confirming that Vijay Das, Mohammad Ilyas are some of the names that the accused would go by.
Well, that is correct. In fact, in the line of investigation for past 72 hours, the Mumbai police had yielded no result, and finally the prime accused has been nabbed. He has been arrested from Thane labor camp. In fact, when it comes to the changing of name, this is very crucial to understand that he hails from West Bengal and his original name is Muhammad Alian. In fact, he had changed his name and he used to say his name as Vijay Das. However, this was interrogated, and then the Mumbai police in fact came to know this, that his actual name is Muhammad Alian and he hails from West Bengal. However, having said that, he has earlier worked in the various Mumbai's pubs and bars, and he is quite known to be in the radius of Mumbai pubs and bars. He knows what is the practice which goes on and everything. But having said that, he has always made up this story that his name is Vijay Das, and he has always portrayed himself as a Hindu person. So here, very importantly, the Mumbai police, while nabbed the prime accused, they have interrogated this particular portion for the verification purpose. Now remember, there were earlier also many suspects, those who were already picked up from various locations, and then they were brought to Bandra police station. The quizzing was on, and when it comes to the matching of the fingerprints, when it comes to the various other verifications level, when we have seen the suspect, the earlier suspect, they were let off after verifying that they are not the same person. They are not the prime suspect who was seen at the Bandra residence of Saif Ali Khan. In fact, here also you can see it is a kind of deployment that has been briefed here at Khar police station, and as per our sources also, we have been informed that the accused has been kept here, and he will be produced to the holiday court, post to which the police remand would be sought by the Mumbai police, likely to be of 7 days, and then the actual interrogation, the line of questioning will begin. What was the motive? As the prima facie details, initial details, what we are getting to understand that it was an attempt to robbery. However, that couldn't happen because of the several factors while Lima came in between, and the attack that happened, and how he grew aggressive and he attacked on Saif Ali Khan while he intervened and he asked, "Who are you? Kya chahiye?" In this particular scene, we have seen that how he fled away from the scene. Importantly, now few questions that hasn't been answered from past 72 hours is, how did this accused manage to go inside? In fact, inside the apartment of Saifina, how did he manage? Did he know somebody from the house helps? Did he had already contacted? Did he do the prior Reiki? These are some of the questions that has to be answered, that remains unsolved for Mumbai police. Remember, this was a parallel investigation that was going on between the Bandra Police to Crime Intelligence Unit and Crime Branch Department, and finally in a joint operation by DCP Zone 6, 9 and Thane Police, they have achieved this after 72 hours, where the prime accused has been nabbed, he has been arrested, and most likely he's right behind from where we are reporting from Khar Police Station.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with those details. With that, we're slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back. To stay with us.